Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming why screen time matters and setting a concrete target. This is the crucial prerequisite. Once done, pick the must-use apps and remove distractions immediately. Make sure to lock or hide non-essential apps so temptation drops. Start with a small commitment you can keep. Today choose 3 blocks: focused work, short breaks, and an evening wind down. These first actionable steps get you moving right now and make later adjustments far easier. You now build the middle of the process by structuring sessions that respect attention cycles. Start using 25 to 50-minute focus blocks and schedule 5 to 15-minute breaks so your brain resets. This keeps productivity high. Once set, apply site blockers and strict notification rules and enforce one-task focus instead of multitasking. Make sure to track real use with a screen timer and perform a weekly review. That feedback loop informs precise tweaks and prevents creeping overuse. You finish by reinforcing the habit and closing the loop with concrete final steps. Establish routines, a brief morning check, an end-of-day device shutdown, and weekend limits so you reset weekly. If the plan fails, simplify goals immediately, reduce app access, or recruit an accountability partner to check progress. Make sure to celebrate wins by logging streaks and rewarding low-use days. This positive feedback makes the system stick and helps you recover quickly when setbacks happen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.